Let's give it up for Notification Avenue. Thank you so much, XXX at Strawberry II. There's an easy way to say that. Just comment down below and let me know. I also want to give out a humongous thank you to whoever commented under my post on Instagram. I do not know what's your YouTube, like, you just commented under I came from YouTube. If you could tell me your name and stuff like that, that'd be great, so I could give you a shout out on both YouTube and Instagram. But yeah, let's get into this video. Hi my beautiful homegirls and my handsome homeboys. I want to apologize to start off for posting this video so late. It was ready to go and ready to upload, but I had to help with a lot of stuff in school and stuff. But yeah, I'm very excited to be showing y'all this and doing this video, because this new technique, I'm loving it. Y'all about to see this technique so much, because again, McDonald's, I'm loving it. Sorry, it's just background noise and stuff everywhere. I'm actually looking at my nails right now and thinking about cutting them all the way down again. Anyways, for Notification Avenue, be sure to comment down below what nail design you would like to see next, because yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started on next week's video, Monday or Tuesday. So oops, it's gonna have to be before Monday and Tuesday, because I have to post a video Monday. Child, we'll see. But yeah, I am using Mia's Secret color acrylic. No, I'm not. I'm using Mia's Secret clear acrylic instead of dip powder, and I'm loving it. The stuff that y'all see is already out. That's what I used on my other hand. I did 2 videos in one day, so yep. The videos are kind of similar, but I feel like this one has better quality and it's in depth. And instead of pink, I'm doing blue, and just a couple things different. Y'all also get to see a more in-depth look of how I create an apex with this technique and a strong nail. So yeah, what y'all see me going in with from the blue is the dip base, which is pretty much like a nail glue, a brush on nail glue. So although I'm using acrylic, I'm using the dip system. But it's honestly not much for me to say, so I'm gonna pop out and pop in when I need to say important details. I do want to point out that I am constantly going in with the dip activator, which hardens the nail, just because I'm going to do a good bit of layers and I want to make sure that my nails are strong. So I do want to say, even though I am using the dip system and the acrylic powder, I don't know why, but it's so much easier to file and shape. Like, I didn't pick up my drill once. I didn't pick it up once. Like, it's so easy to shape and file. And acrylic is not this easy to shape and file. So I don't know why, but because this is actually acrylic powder, but it could be what binds it. But I'm going to go in with a white on my middle finger. I am going to do white polish, gel polish. And the blue that you all are going to be seeing me use, that's gel paint. I prefer to use gel paint because it's thicker, and every single time I use gel polish, it just runs and runs and runs and runs because it's self-leveling, I guess. But I just prefer to use gel paint. So those different blues and greens, that's what I keep my gel paint in. The type of bottle thingy I keep it in. So yeah, this shimmery pink is something that I really, 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 really like. But I just wish it was bolder. The shimmery part was bolder. Because you could barely see honestly barely see the shimmer. I did go in with 3 coats for all of them. The blue, the pink, and the white, I believe. So, yeah. However, to cut down on the video timing, I, of course, didn't show all that. Also, comment down below what y'all think about French tip, because I was thinking about doing French tip, but maybe instead of doing white, I do a different color. But then I'm like, what color would that be? So instantly pink comes up, but I'm like, I don't know if I'm feeling pink right now, so I don't know. We'll see. But I plan on doing my nails in like 3 days. Let's see, today's Saturday, so Sunday, Monday. I plan on doing it either late Sunday. Well, it can't be late because I have to record. This is how my conversations go in my head. LOL. But I don't know. I get my hair done Monday. Also have practice Monday. So I'm trying to figure out, because I hate having my hair done and not my nails done, and vice versa. Child, who knows? I do it when I do it. I know whatever I do, I need to go ahead and figure out how I'm gonna do it and all that, because I'm gonna have to be quick and then I gotta do both hands. That's gonna take hours. Oh, the struggle. The struggle. And this is my first time using these rhinestones on me. I used them before, but not on me. So Yep. And as y'all can see, my wax pencil needs to be sharpened because it need to be sharpened because it was not picking up anything, and it usually does. So, but it's been needing to be sharpened for a while, so that's my fault. I know I didn't talk a lot in this video just because this is really just a more in-depth video of how this process works. So without further ado, as this video is coming to an end, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share on Instagram for a shout out. To my social media is down below. And remember, nobody, absolutely nobody, is going to go as hard for you as you are for yourself. Here are my nails. Gotta be in love.